Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter 6 in Mathematics, Square and Square Roots. Here we are going to start the exercise number 6.2. Question 1 is find the squares. Find the square of the following numbers. First one is 32. Now, in the previous session, I gave you the idea how to find the square without real multiplication. So we have to find square of 32. We can, as 32 is between 30 and 40 and it is more near to 30. So it is written as 30 plus 2 whole square. And I gave you the formula also, a plus b whole square. 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 2 plus 2 square. You know the formula. A plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are going to use this formula. Now square of 30, 3 square is 9. And here 1 0, therefore square will have 2 zeros. So 900 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and a 0 means 120. Plus 2 square is 4. So it is 1024. Second number is 35. Now 35 square. We learn another pattern also in the last session when there is a 5 at the unit digit. And that is the number here in the, if you take out 5 then 3. After 3 there is 4. So 3 times 4 multiply by 100 plus 25. You can use this method also. You can do 30 plus 5 whole square. And you can find the square by this method also. But that is very simple method. So here 3 4s are 12. So 1200 plus 25. So answer is 1225. So this is easier way. You can do by that method also. That 30 plus 5 whole square means 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 5 plus 5 square. Answer will be there. But we learn this pattern also when there is 5 at the unit digit. Then you have to take the number after taking out 5, that is 3. After 3 which number comes? 4. So multiply them, then multiply by 100 and plus 25. So you can use any of that method. Then 86. Now 86 square. Now as I told you that here it can be minus also. Then the middle term will be minus. So here 86 is more nearer to 90. It will be 90 minus 4, or you can do 80 plus 6, also not wrong. You can do that also, like 80 plus 6 whole square. Then you know that it is 80 square plus 2 into 80 into 6 plus 6 square. So now 80. 8 square is 64. So is equal to 6400 plus 8 2s are 6 and 6 6 are 36. So 360 plus 6 square is 36. So answer will be 6 9 7. So 6796. The fourth number is 93. So 93 square, 90 plus 3 whole square, and by using that formula 90 square, 2 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 3 plus 3 square. That is a very, very important formula which you will use in the other chapters also. 9 square is 81, so 8100. 2 9s are 18. 18 3s are 54. So 540 plus 3 square is 9. So it will be 8649. Then the next number is 71. So 71 we can write down as 70 plus 1 whole square. So that is 70 square, 2 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. 7 square is 49, so 4900. 2 7s are 14, 1s are 14, so 140 plus 1. So here 141 will be added to here. So it will be 1 4. So answer is 5041. And last is 46. So 46 square. Last one we can do by the minus method. Or rather give one method, then you don't have to get confused. 40 plus 6 square. So that is equal to 40 square. 2 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 6 plus 6 square. So 1600. 2 4s are 8, 8 6s are 48, so 480 plus 6 square is 36. So here we have to add them. So 6 1 1 2. So answer is 2116. Now the question number 2. Write Pythagorean triplet whose one member is, the first is the 6. So now we know that 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 will be the Pythagorean triplet. So we can take 2m is equal to 6. So what will we get? M is equal to 6 divided by 2. So m is equal to 3. So now we have to find m square minus 1. Means 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. And m square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, it is 10. Therefore, 6, 8, 10 is the required Pythagorean triplet. Second number given is the 14. So most probably you will be given the even number. So you have to take 2m is equal to that number. So we will take let 2m 14. So we will get m is equal to 14 upon 2. So value of m is 7. Therefore, now we have to find other twos. So m square minus 1 is equal to, we have to 7 square minus 1, that is 49 minus 1. 7 square is 49. Minus 1 is 48. And then we have to find m square plus 1. So therefore m square plus 1 is 7 square plus 1 is 49 plus 1. So which was the first number? 14. Therefore 14, 48, 50 is the required Pythagorean triplet. Third one. Third number is 16. So here also we will take 2m is equal to 16. So we get m is equal to 16 upon 2, means we get m is equal to 8. Therefore m square minus 1 is 8 square minus 1, 8 8s are 64 minus 1 is 63. And m square plus 1 is 64 plus 1, that is 65. Therefore 16, 63, 65 is the required Pythagorean triplet. And these Pythagorean triplets are very, very useful also. Later on I'm going to talk about it. Fourth is 18. So let 2m is equal to 18. Therefore we get m is equal to 18 divided by 2. So m is equal to 9. So now m square minus 1 9 square minus 1. 9 square is 81. Minus 1 will be 80, and then m square plus 1 is 81 plus 1, and that is 82. Therefore, which are the three numbers? 18, 80 and 82 is the required Pythagorean triplet. So these triplets are, as I told you, very, very useful in the next year also. Not only in the next year, but it will be useful in the standard 10th and so on also, because it is related to the Pythagoras theorem. I think in standard 7th we learn about the statement of the Pythagoras theorem also, that we will repeat in the next session also, because we have to use that Pythagoras theorem in some of the question that will be here. And I will remember today to give you some other Pythagorean triplets also, that you can, if remember, then it will be very useful sometimes, like in the MCQ, maybe one of the blank is given. Out of 3 number of the triplet, one is missing. Then you can directly, without any multiplication or any calculation, you can write down the answers, and that will be useful in the next standards, higher standards also. So here we are going to finish today's session, which will be followed by the PDF file, and then you have to write it down. Any question, ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.